Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add currencies to your Ledger Flex. To add currencies to your Ledger Flex, simply go to My Ledger in the Ledger Live app or Ledger Live desktop app, because that also should work. Then connect to your Ledger, select it from the list. You may need to allow secure connection if you haven't done that yet. Now select the ones that you want to add. I'm gonna add Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. And they will start installing. You can see it starts installing and shortly it will appear. And also they show you their size here. So they have their size listed. Sometimes it's pretty small, like 2 kilobits, and sometimes it's pretty large, like even over 200 kilobits. And you can see that the size on the device is limited. I believe that the size is about like 1.5 megabits, which means about 1500 kilobits. So yes, you'll also see how much space is used right now. And I hope that this video was helpful. Also, once these are done, you can simply now, once they are installed, transfer these assets and use them and access them. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.